Hello and welcome back to another episode of Drawing with V. Today we are making Anna from Frozen 2. Go ahead and put in the comments if you've had a chance to see Frozen 2. My girls have seen it twice. I've seen it once. I thought it was really good. Before we get started, please make sure to give a thumbs up if you like this video and click on the subscribe button if you don't want to miss any other videos. Also, you can check out my channel for more fun with Drawing with V. Like I've explained in previous videos, I am using my template just to speed things up here and keep things consistent. But like I've mentioned before, I'm the one that made the template and the Little Lovely Girls, so I don't consider it cheating, but just a tip. Now we can go in and add the details that will make this Little Lovely Girl the Anna from Frozen 2. Okay, I've cleaned her up a little bit and simplified things. Now I'm going to go through and trace this with the ink pen. Anna's all cleaned up and looks ready to color, just like a coloring page. So I'm going to get started by adding the details to her. Now I remember in the movie, I thought in the first movie that Anna had green eyes, and it looked to me in the second movie like she had blue eyes. If you noticed that, or maybe I just missed it on the first movie, go ahead and comment below. I am going to do her eyes a sort of bluish greenish color for this because I can't decide if I think her eyes are blue or green. So go ahead and let me know in the comments what you think. Okay, we did it. We got Anna from Frozen 2 all colored in. Now we just have to sign it and we are finished. And that's all for this edition. Thank you so much for joining me. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, go ahead and give a good thumbs up there and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any more videos. Next up, we'll be doing a series on whimsical characters like unicorns, mermaids, fairies, anything like that. So stay tuned. Bye-bye.